Hello, assalamualaikum guys, and welcome back to a new tutorial. And in this tutorial I will teach you how to make functions in C language. In our previous lecture I told you how to make do and do while loops, and in this video we will make functions in C language. So the software I'm going to use is Xcode on Mac OS X. The procedure to make function is same on almost every IDE, including Visual Basic or CodeBlock. So let's start. And before we start our coding, I will tell you what function does. What function does is it takes two or more than two values, or it can take one value, and it does a working on it. It executes it, or you can say decodes it, and returns you a value. You can make functions which returns no value, but they might do some different executions, such as they might print, or they might store some values, or they might return you some values, or they might return you 0 instead of any value. So let's start and make a function. So we will start with a very basic function. The first thing you have to write on C language is include stdio.h. And let me clear the space so you can just concentrate on the code. And we will write hash include stdio.h, and then we will write int main. And then in here we will write something. Before this, you can start with making a function, so we can just call it in the main function. So we will name our function and what its kind will be. How to initialize a function? We need three things. First is the type of the function. So we're gonna work on int function, integer function, the function which will return an integer value. Then we will write the name of the function. We will write the name funny in small words, funny, and then we will declare the kind of inputs it will take. It will take int integer a as input, and it will take int integer b as input. Then we will press enter. We will use curly brackets, and then we will write the code inside the funny. What funny will do? What funny will do is funny will initialize c, a character, c integer, and then the funny will make a plus b, and then it will write printf I am the function funny and I do addition. And what it will do is it will display %d to display the integer value, plus %d is equals to %d, and then after the double quotation marks we'll write a, then b, then c, quotation close. And you can also return 0, or you can return the value of c for further calculations on c as our return value of function funny. So once this is done, all you have to do is you have to call the function funny. You have to write funny or your brother, and then you have to give it two values. That could be let's start with 5 and 6, and then you have to close the function, and then you have to return 0 in main function, and then you have to run the code. Oops, I forgot that. So yes, what we'll do is we will write the function funny, and we will return the value zeros, and then we will run the software, and let's say it succeeded. And now you can see now you can see the function I am function funny and I do addition 5 plus 6, and you can just give a space here. So every time a function funny prints something, a space will be given, and you can just give a space right here. and then you can just erase the space right here. And now what the benefits of function are that you can use this function many times. For example, you can call function funny again, and you can give it value 10 and 11 this time, 12, and just close it. And then you can call function funny again, and you can give it 6. You can give it values, come on boy, 5, and then you can give it value 100, and you can just close it. And then you can run the command, and now you can see once you have made a function, you can use it with different values every time, and it will return different results every time. You can use function funny for more fun. So what we can do is we can write printf, and then here we can say hello YouTubers, give me 2 words to add. Not words, to be precise, numbers to add. Then you can just close the bracket. You can scanf person D. Oh, don't forget the double quotation marks, comma, ampersand A, close the, and it will say you have not initialized the file. All right, I will do that again. And then you can write printf second number please. Then you can just close it and scanf double quotation mark person D, and you can just write small b. All right, it took so much time, no good time for this. And then you can initialize int a b semicolons. I hate that so fast assigning of self words. The shortcuts that Codex give, Xcode, sorry, not Codex, Xcode. Now once you have written that give me 2 words, hello YouTube, and all that, what you have to do is you have to reuse your function funny, and now this time you can just write here A and B. So the function funny will take 2 different words from you, and it will add it up for you. Now you can run the software. So now at the end of the 3 lines, it's written hello YouTuber, give me 2 numbers to add. So we will click here, and we will add our first number, which is 2250, and we enter the second number, please. Second number, and it will be 99999. And I'm the function funny, and I do the addition. It writes the same thing, and after this it writes 2550 plus 9999. So this is how you can use functions, and this is how you can write function on C language. These are very basic functions which can end up to some really awesome programs. This is the basics, and then you can use C++ as well. And these functions are mostly used in universities and classes to teach students how to get through C language. That's all for the function on C language. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope this video helped. If it helped, please share the video for other people to see, to watch, and they might get help as well. So see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.